Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Karilom Garo, benchwa kabadai kathan bagi Paidbah na kaleng gijaka, kejukiar banlet syakani kadong kathan, namar betul palat kajingle dan bor bagi kam Pyntriem, baharu kom jongki Lehnoh. Hanai hadian bagi Paidbah kala duk jingsanya, yakini kiseng Pyntriem, mentah Karilom Garo kala kalalong ke Kper Eden, yakin nongwan jongok Kper. Nalor kejingnya bagi jingdu jingsanya nai Paidbah, kesorkal jelaru lalak ban pendu jat yaki kam Pyntriem ling bagi seng Lehnoh per mentah kala stang ban kiu bah haki kam jongok Kper. Bat kabla kring bah yaki babun ban wanyu kujat syakani kadong kathan bat Paidbah mentah gelas dang ban im jakpo ling ba kejingwan gi nongwan jongok Kper tang dak badi jingdi harut surok dalor kejingdon gi jaka jongok Kper bala pau bah habak mara kabahab hapo South Garo Hills District mentah ke sarkar kala persang dagilat kelinti kumlo ban kentiu yaki kadong kathan hakaliang jongok kam jongok Kper. Halor kini ke sarkar jela limba ketenat Soil and Water Conservation hadian ke jingshim khiau MLA kethan rakam sangma ubadairu menteri sarkar kelasna ya kebai ke projek ya kebala tiap kum ke chitmang chaiwat hakasnong badri rongdong kebai kendiang ya ulum chitmang wujrong tam hari lom Garo ban penne pensa ya kemai mariang hak jinge trailang ban baro kitrat rekam jong sarkar jela kumban chukudo bagani kasnong badri rongdong kedan hapreng khlau ba jong South Garo Hills bat shan kan sakala long ko we ni gijaka jongok Kper pau ba hari lom Garo kom shibenta ban pensuk ik Paidbah gi betemu ban lej shakini gijaka jongok Kper pau ba po South Garo Hills ya kabala tiap kum ko krem siju rock formation lani roira ronggat hakaktian Garo kadabat wari agenma wari chora nolot kiwe pat ki balasna lagi gas house ne homestay ya ki Paidbah hakasnong dabri rongdong wala da kasurok ban lech bak mara kasniu bah handai ka sarkar mentah kadang penkre manchna sha ya kasurok kaban penyeso ru chapo Karilom khasi lingba ka bak mara ranikor ban pensuk ik Paidbah ha kalai kawan haba phai wat hasnong nangmen dalgre ka bahap po East Garo Hills District kabadai kasnong bakhlan bahagi kam Pyntriem kabadai ru kasnong trai usohan di shira ubadai Lehnoh besar kheba mentah kala long ka wei ni kisnong bakring bahagi Paidbah nongwan jongok Kper namar ke jingdon jong kejaka man penne pensa ke do dowa benchwa ki Paidbah wan na po kini ke district ke Jusalia ban wan syakani ke jaka hakapor badang klan bah ke GNLA namar bek shapting yo jai yaki henry mentah kini kisnong kara yo bhai ka kamai ke ji na ke jingwan ki nong jong Kper habakren bu MLA kasan pupra ronggara siju ubadairu menteri sarkar jela rakam sangma ulong baro kini ke jingkio jongki kam jongok Kper hapo Karilom Garo kede namar bagi Paidbah kelanya iki kam Pyntriem jongki seng Lehnoh bat mentah kini kedong kathan kala kalalong kum ka beneng jongki nongwan jongok Kper
Chitmang Chaiwat project was implemented by the Department of Soil and Water Conservation Department in collaboration with some fishery department and others too also from tourism as well. So we have proposed at the beginning we proposed to have a convergence kinds of project with soil department, be it CNRD, be it PHM and like the soil the tourism department, the fishery department and others. But now the soil department and the fishery has got some fund and they have done the beautification of the project and mostly the fish sanctuary and look that Badrirongdong is a place, is a location like a powerhouse of water for entire South Carolina, because the water supply scheme for Bakmara was drawn in from the water sources located from those areas, Rongdong, Badri Rongdong. So we have there is a source of water supply. So we have decided to construct a dam, and that had become the tourist spot now. So like earlier, these are the areas which were hugely affected by the militants and what you call the forest. But now this has converted into one of the most tourist attract location now. So earlier, the entire district of the South Carolina, in particular, and Garos in general, was hugely affected by the militancy. But since the people had suffered a lot, so people, every stakeholder, the church leaders, governments was committed to solve this issue. The mostly credit goes to the public. The public stood against the kind of terrorists, the militancy. So you have seen many of the militants has been captured by the public, general public only. So then they don't get support from the public. Then after that, the things have come to the normal now. And now Garo is more or less like a heaven now. So every tourist from outside can visit anytime now, and we are safe place now. So I think, considering of all this factor, we have decided, thanks to Honorable Chief Minister, the Minister of Soil and Water Conservation, so they have given that fund, and we are started to develop this location into one of the tourist spot, and which will be used by the people like a gas coming from outside. Yeah. Look, earlier the conservation of forests and the conservation of waters, people think they are stopping their livelihood. But now the thinking has been reversed. Now conservation of forests and the conservation of water, water reservoir has given them the livelihood now. After initiating this project, we have seen many of our people from the area has benefited by opening up more shop. You can see on the road, they can sell the product, local product outside those passing through National Highway number 6 to 217. People are passing through, and now of course the road is not completed now. However, the people start coming into the district. So people have definitely benefited. Out of not less than 50 to 100 people are benefiting every day. Their livelihood has been benefited. So that's the whole idea, because the livelihood is the more sole objective of bringing up this kind of project. The road is the first priority. Of course, from Bakmara to Ranikor, we have almost completed one of the first class road from Bakmara to Ranikor now to reach to Bakmara now. But now from this side, from Dunai to Dalu via Bakmara, the land acquisition is on the process, and we will complete it. I think we will start very soon. The land acquisition is on the advanced stage, and once we initiate started, we can see the difference. You will see.
Sir, we also seen that there's two chief ministers from governments that are being erected in Badrirongdong.
The first is the elect Captain W.S. Sama, whose birthplace is at Siju. This is almost adjacent to the Siju, right? And the Captain Sama once said, Mr. Purno, after my demise, you must look after the Meghalaya. You must work for the people of the district. You must work for the people of tribals. Therefore, you will be my successor after my demise. This is all the story behind, because more or less both Captain Sama is well connected to the Siju, and P.S. Sama is well connected with the Captain Sama. So to make this story better, they are the tall leader. You know. So if there has been no Captain Sama today, we might have still under the sun today. Look at the contribution of Captain Sama. It's one of the highest peak in the Garos, and it's very close to Bangladesh. Like Balpakram National Park. So, and the mother of all citrus fruit is existed near Nokrek and Chitma. This is another story.